Okay, I'm back on this Ford Transit Ecoboost. I'm gonna do the front struts, shocks. Comes all in one piece here. Putting the best ones again. That's how it looks. Okay, so let me show you. Oh, and let me show you something what I did here. What I have in the back. Put new ones. I'll show you. I'll put it in the description, the link where I got them. So I'm gonna put a link for these also, where you buy them. So you start, well, kind of. I open this, and then you move this plastic cover, and you see that's where you get to this one. And then I'm gonna use one of these. So hopefully I have enough space. We'll see. Let's take the wheel off. Let me show you how I did this. As you can see, I have that red stand there. This is how you do this. Come out. Let's see. Maybe if we lift. Maybe later. Let's see. Okay. Next. So I took this side off, the caliper. So now since I'm here, I'm gonna see if these work well, which kind of, they're a little bit, they don't go too smooth. So I'm gonna take them out, use some sandpaper, put some Vaseline, and make sure that these are okay also, since I'm here. Okay, so this is out too. Just have to wiggle it a little bit, lift it up, lift this up from the bottom with the second one maybe, and it comes out. And that's all. The caliper is hanging there. So I have this left and the bottom. Okay, so this is the last bolt that you're gonna take off. Now we gotta do the bottom. So when I did this, you have to hit it here with the hammer a few times, and you put the nut on top and you hit it maybe with this and with a hammer maybe on top, and it comes off. But first you hit it on the side here. Okay. The other side is a little bit more work involved. Gotta take all of this out, but I'm gonna put a link, a video. The guy is showing all the details how to take this off. Okay, it's out. This was the hardest part to take off. We needed 3 guys to do it, but it's off. That's the new one we're gonna put in. Okay, it's out. That's the new one. And then let me show you inside. Need a second, what do you call these? To push it up into the shock like this. Another jack you need. It's almost there. Then you have to lift it with this. It's easier to lift it for this. And then you do this and that's it. Okay. That's it. Everything is back on. It's time to put the wheel back and do the other side. But I'm not going to film the other side. So, like I said, I'm going to put a link showing more details and a link what to buy the parts. Thank you for watching. Let me show you how much you see you got to do here. As you can see, it's not that hard, but it's time consuming. But yeah, just watch the link and you will see. Thank you.